Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's this too. So today we're going to be checking out another non-lethal self-defense launcher, and today I received the Pepper Ball TCP. So it comes in this really nice case. It's a huge, solid case, and you get your TCP launcher, which feels much heavier than the Burna HD, and you get a little kit like a plunger, oil, and you get a extra magazine. So when I ordered this kit, I was supposed to get like 2 CO2s, the live rounds, and some practice rounds, but I received it today and it was only this box with just the launcher. And I had ordered the split shot. I got this before the TCP, so we're gonna be trying that out. Then I was able to get the Live X, very potent extra strength pepper balls. Just the same caliber like the ones that cops use. A high concentration of PAVA. So in our next video, we'll be shooting the TCP. And right now I could tell you it's much heavier than the Burna. Well, this is the TCP Pepper Launcher kit. And, oh, I forgot to show you guys the magazine. I think it holds 6 rounds, and it takes the 8-gram CO2. Well, thank you for watching. On the next video, we'll be shooting the TCP launcher. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.